In our class, after discussing a concept, we will discuss level 1, then we will discuss level 2, then we will discuss level 3. So that gradually you will understand the way in which the questions can be framed using the simplest of the logics. Third question. Let us discuss another question. Now, this is one of the toughest questions asked in competitive examinations. We will try to make it as easy as possible. Question. X square minus 5y square equivalent to 1, 2, 3, 2. xy are natural numbers less than 250. How many values xy can take? How many values xy can take? This is the question. Just by looking at the question, most of the students will have a fear of solving this question because it's an algebraic question. Now, see Anil Nair's way of solving. X square minus 5y square equivalent to 1, 2, 3, 2. Observe carefully. What is the unit digit in right hand side? 2. Unit digit in the right hand side is 2. How we got 2? It is nothing but subtracting the unit digit of 5y square from unit digit of x square. Am I right? Yes. Now the second important observation. This number is multiplied by 5. If you multiply any number by 5, what will be the unit digit of a number? That will be 0 or 5. You multiply any number. 5 5s are 25. 5 7s are 35. 5 8s are 40. So 5y square unit digit will be either 0 or 5. X square unit digit we don't know. So something minus 0 is giving me 2. Only the reference point is unit digit here. So something minus 0 is 2. That x square unit digit should be how much? 2. Because 2 minus 0 only gives you 2. Something minus 5 is 2. What should be x square unit digit? 7. But we already discussed if the power is an even number, then the number is a perfect square. Can a perfect square end with 2? Can a perfect square end with 7? We already discussed it right now. A perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. So this case is not possible. This case is not possible. Only 2 cases are there. The 2 cases are not possible. Therefore, what will be the answer? 0. Therefore, what will be the answer? 0. By knowing that a perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8, you can solve an algebraic question in the most easiest way. Next, let us discuss one more question. X square plus y square equivalent to x square plus y square equivalent to 1, 2, 3, 7, 9. 1, 2, 3, 7, 9. xy are natural numbers less than some 500. How many values xy can take? How many values xy can take? Use the same approach that we discussed in the last problem. This number is ending with which number? 9. So unit digit in the right hand side is 9. Unit digit in the right hand side is 9. How did we get this 9? It is nothing but addition of unit digit of y square and unit digit of x square. Tell me the possibilities. X square unit digit can be 0, y square unit digit can be 9. We are only looking at the reference point as unit digit. 0 plus 9 is 9. What is the next case? 1 plus 8 is 9. What is the next case? 2 plus 7 is 9. What is the next case? 3 plus 6 is 9. What is the next case? 4 plus 5 is 9. Remaining all the cases are nothing but from bottom to top. 5 plus 4, 6 plus 3, 7 plus 2, 8 plus 1. Now observe carefully. X square, it is a perfect square. Does a perfect square end with 2 or 3? No. These cases are eliminated. Y square is also a perfect square. Does a perfect square end with 7 or 8? No. That means we have cancelled this case and this case because of the logic. A perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. Now, x square is ending with 0. Any perfect square ending with 0, it always ends with even number of zeros. 10 square 100, 100 square 1 followed by 4 zeros. Any perfect square ending with 9, 10th digit is an even number. Just now we discussed. 7 square 49, 13 square 169, 17 square 289. What is 0 plus even? Even. That means the right hand side nth digit should be an even number. Next, any perfect square ending with 4. What is the nth digit? Even number. Y square is ending with 5. What is the nth digit? It should always be 2. 5 square 25, 25 square 625, 15 square 225. Any perfect square ending with 5, tens digit is always 2. What is even plus even? Again an even number. That means by using this logic, right hand side should end with 9, and what should be the tens digit nature? What should be the tens digit nature? Even number. According to the question, what is the tens digit nature? 7. So therefore, what will be the answer? 0. I hope the logic is clear to you. Just by playing with the unit digit of a number, I sincerely suggest all the students not to miss out any single example when I am discussing the class, right? Because every example I am going to connect it somewhere. I want to use the simplest of the concepts which I discussed at the beginning, maybe at the end of the class. So pay your utmost attention. D is 0. D is the traditional method. I hope this method is clear to you. So, through this question, I want to explain few important key points. Whenever you find the power to be an even number, one thing that should strike you is, can I use perfect square logics? That is the first thing. And method 2, don't try to solve this question by using algebraic methods. Try to think differently. Try to think without ink. Method 2. Method 2. Now, let us solve this problem using method 2. Now, why am I discussing this method 2? Some students may get a doubt. Anil sir, why did you mention x, y are natural numbers? Is there any significance with related to the domain of the natural numbers here? Yes, there is a significance. Let us discuss that significance. Method 2. Now, it is given in the question that x and y are natural numbers. If x and y are natural numbers, these are the 4 cases that will come. X is an even number, y is an even number. First case, x is an even number, y is an odd number. Second case, third case, x is an odd number, y is an even number. Third case, fourth case, both x and y can be odd numbers. Because if I take any natural number, natural can be either even number or an even number. I am sure most of you know that the nature of an even number is nothing but of the form 2k. The nature of odd number is of the form 2k plus 1 or 2k minus 1 depending upon which value of k you are starting with. Now if I take x even, y even number is 2k1 whole square plus 2k2 whole square. First case, x and y even. 2k1 whole square, that will become 4k1 square. 4k1 square means divisible by 4. 2k2 whole square, 4k2 square, it is also divisible by 4. If I add two numbers which are divisible by 4, answer will always be divisible by 4. So answer is divisible by 4. So it will be 4p. Next case, this case is over. Next case, if x is even, y is odd, even number, 2k1 whole square. Odd number 2k2 plus 1 whole square. So this will become 4k1 square plus 4k2 square plus 4k2 plus 1. First 3 terms all are divisible by 4. It gives a remainder how much? 1. So second nature is, it is of the form 4p plus 1. First case gave me the answer, right hand side should be divisible by 4. Second case, it gave me an answer, it gives a remainder 1 when divided by 4. Third case, second and third case both are similar, where one is even, another is odd. So we got 4p and 4p plus 1. What is the last case? X is odd, y is odd. If x is an odd number, 2k plus 1 whole square plus 2k2 plus 1 whole square. So this will give you the answer, 4k1 square plus 4k1 plus 1 plus 4k2 square plus 4k2 plus 1. Observe carefully. This is divisible by 4, divisible by 4, divisible by 4, divisible by 4. Here 1, here 1. What should be the remainder? All are divisible by 4 with 2 ones. That means 4p plus 2. That means by using the nature of x and y, what are the logics that I got? Right hand side should be divisible by 4, right hand side should give a remainder 1, or right hand side should give a remainder 2. I hope you are all with me. What is the divisibility rule of 4? Last 2 digits should be divisible by 4. What are the last 2 digits here? 79. When you divide 79 by 4, what is the remainder? 4 19s are 76. What is the remainder? 3. That means in this question, what is the form of the right hand side? 4p plus 3. Does 4p plus 3 form came? No. Therefore, answer is 0. That means by using the number 3 also, you can solve this question. By using the perfect square also, you can solve this question. I hope you have understood how to solve this question using multiple methods.